In this question, they are saying an object has moved through a distance. Can it have a zero displacement? If yes, support your answer with an example. Okay, so basically, what is displacement? Displacement is basically nothing but it is a difference between initial and final position, right? So, yes, you can state that displacement can be zero. So, yes, for example, let's say this is basically nothing. We have a circular track. Now, what is a circular track? Let's say I'm starting from this position. So, this is my initial position. After taking one complete round, I finally reaches on the same position. So, can I say my initial position as well as my final position is same? That means no difference between the initial and final position. In such instances, you can say that displacement is basically nothing but zero. So yes, you can give your answer in such a manner. Yes, an object has moved through a distance, can have zero displacement if the initial and final position is the same. And you can give an example of an object moving in a circular track. Hope this answered your question.